Guys, no way rook e8 happens.
Yeah,
no
it's no.
way.
Maybe there are other moves. King e3
Four,
perhaps.
3, 2, 1. He lost on. Oh my god.
अरे पर वो
My god.
Second. He goes king b6.
Yes.
But it's
I mean,
it's
with-
a mistake. It's a
90
huge mistake.
93,
95 is coming.
Oh
Wei
my
is
God.
back.
Oh my
Guys,
God.
Wei
Did he find
is
it?
back.
Oh,
It's
of
a
course
huge
he
and he
find it,
gets
yes.
it. And I'm pretty sure Esipenko is going to shake his head there.
But what if
Oh
c6?
my god.
No, Amruta,
Oh,
rook is hanging.
G2,
Rook is
Rook
hanging.
d2 check.
King c3 and then knight c4 check.
Ah man, this
Big
was
blunder.
tactical, yeah.
c6.
He forgot the rook.
Oh no, that is so sad for Esipenko. I cannot believe it.
Amruta, you said the
Yaar,
move.
heartbreak, yaar.
Oh my God.
Bichara, it is so sad. Oh my goodness.
Oh, this might be the worst way to lose. Oh, he was like
Oh,
pressing for the win. He
no.
blundered the rook. Not just did he lose the
This
game,
will haunt him, man, for
Not-
his life.
but Amruta, he's not out of the tournament. He still can play for the third spot with Yakuboyev.
yeah. Oh,
but
yeah.
Wei is through to the candidates. And what a brutal way. And look at Esipenko there. He's like,
No.
man, how did I play this move c6? It was pressure that got to him.
Wow. I
Hi,
can't
what
even
the
clap
heck?
because it's just so sad to
No.
see this.
Yes, during the tie-break match, we are prepared.
Now, Nordirbeck Yakuboyev down to what, Amruta?
37 seconds, but you know the advantage is
screen,
plus
full
1
screen.
for white already, and as we are talking about the time advantage, it adds to another half a point, or maybe in this scenario, another
And
1
H5.
point.
H5.
No, it's a bad move.
Bad
It's just-
move.
He's
Gone.
freaking out.
About to win.
He's freaking
Gone.
out here, guys. He's freaking out. And now, one of the ideas that Yakuboyev wants is for Esipenko to take the pawn. Because it kind of mangles things. He can give a check here.
He's saying is Abhi one extra pawn
Oh,
is
but
going to start
Esipenko
moving.
played it so quickly. Bhai, Esipenko is like flow state में.
And after yesterday, he's like, जब तक game खत्म नहीं होता ना, तब तक मैं relax नहीं करूँगा.
But
Level chess that we are seeing right now. Rook a5. He comes in and attacks the pawn on a2.
just move the bishop, no?
Oh, only move now. Asipenko has
Hai, khelo,
garnered
khelo.
a huge advantage. Bishop is about to be moved to e3 and he plays it
भाई
in style.
कैसे खेला उसने
हाँ.
ऐसे उठा के एक स्क्वायर रखने के लिए ऐसे रखा कि 5 स्क्वायर चल रहा है
What? 20 seconds? A6.
a6
What is
played.
A6?
Well, he just improved his pawn's position.
But यहाँ पे
And
opportunity is
he's
knocking
about
the
to take the
door.
pawn and he takes
He
it.
took.
He takes the
He
pawn.
takes.
मार दिया. Good assessment there.
And takes it and the rook endgame is
Maybe
winning.
that's the best
Oh,
chance.
Rook,
e5
Uh-huh.
rook e5.
but भाई bd4 खत्म खल्लास finito but
मारना
आदित्य
है.
भाई
King
मार दो
B3.
and king को कहीं से भी लेके आओ and push
Because the E file is cut, and that is a very critical situation.
needs to change something or else the candidate spot is gone.
And
ये
he took
व्हाइट
the
शर्ट
pawn.
ब्लैक पीस से नहीं चल रही थी तो व्हाइट पीसेस से इट्स डिफरेंट
Will stop.
So he plays it.
Great.
Oh.
Oh my God, Esipenko has baked Nodar.
भाई उसका reaction देखना है after he wins.
Prepare for the next one.
And resignation.
Oh my God, Esipenko strikes back after such a brutal loss yesterday.
भाई कहीं एस्टेशन को भी नहीं निकल गया। छाता भी लेते हैं। भाई थोड़ा साइड होगा।
चलो गाइस पीछे पीछे
आराम से, हाँ, आराम से। थोड़ा थोड़ा लो।
मैं सेल्फी लेते नहीं हूँ।
क्या? हाँ उमेश ये
एक सेकंड
Nothing. Stable, calm. Yeah. Congratulations.